Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Gary here, My Digi Affiliate. And today we're going to be talking about promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. One account. Day 62, I believe. And the reason why we only using one account is that I want to emulate what beginners, you guys, so to speak, would end up making if you follow exactly what I was doing. I kind of want to emulate that and show you guys the potential. Now you may make more, you may make less, but I'm only using one account, so that's all I'm trying to show. I'm trying to show that this works, so to speak, and trying to give y'all realistic goals as well. So that's the reason why I only use one account. All right, guys. Now make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to follow along, hit the links are in the description below. And let's get started. Okay, so first I want to talk about the reasons why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. And reason number one, because it's essentially a funnel builder with unlimited access to everything. You can make as many pages you want, you can make as many funnels you want. It's very easy to make subdomains. You could put as many domains to it as you want, all kinds of stuff like that you have limitations with other systems unless you pay a lot more. So for example, ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month, you can only have a certain amount of people look at your page, you can only have a certain amount of funnels, you can only have a certain amount of domain names, all kinds of stuff that limits you. For $97, you want to get rid of some, not even all. If you want to get rid of some of those limitations, you need to pay $300 per month. That's just a comparison right there. You get all of that for just $25 with the My Lead Gen system. Okay, not the My Lead Gen, but the $25 all-in-one digital business. My bad, I misspoke. Anyway, the second reason why I like promoting this product, and I think the reason that most of you are interested and should be interested in it, is because it's 80% recurring commissions, which is absolutely insane. I've never heard that before anywhere, guys, except for like OnlyFans. That's the only place where I hear 80% recurring commissions. The OnlyFans girls. And you know how much money they make. They make ridiculous amounts of money. So I'm just saying that this is the best system to be promoting right now. It's the best recurring commissions. Even if it wasn't recurring, 80% is ridiculous. It's the best recurring commissions, guys, by far. So those are the reasons why I like promoting it. But anyway, let's get to my results here. It looks like I did get a sale yesterday, but let's refresh the page here to make sure. All right. Okay, yesterday. Okay, turns out we did get a sale yesterday, guys. Nice. All right, so I'm building up, guys. I'm slowly building up more and more people in the system, which is really cool. All right, guys. I want to also state that if somebody doesn't refresh their page, it's more than likely they're not showing you real results. Do not believe the results unless they refresh their page, because you can change all of these numbers fairly easily. It only takes a moment, and it's very easy to change these pages. Alright, guys, so what we're gonna do now is go to the mailing system, My Lead Gen Secrets here. We're gonna click on mailing system, we're gonna click select all for all of my leads, and we're gonna go to the next email here on my list here, building my money up, weekend the money keeps climbing. We're gonna click on that one, we're gonna post that one, blah 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 blah. Y'all can copy and paste everything, but just pausing, guys, just pause. I'm gonna show every part of my email in case you're interested in the email itself. All right, pause right here, copy that. Okay, pause right there, copy that. Okay, and there you go. You just put your signature or whatever. One more thing I want to mention is this is how you put a link in right here. You want to go with this is the link I'm using, the all-in-one $25 business link right here. This is the link that I'm using here, guys. I just want to make sure I show that, because some people have issue that they don't know how to put the link in the email. I just assume everybody knew how to do that. I want to make sure. I got a comment about that, so I want to make sure I state that as well. So you just put it in right here, and you can just click on this, whatever, highlight whatever you want to link, and you just click on that, and you can put a link there. That's all you got to do. Very simple. Also, make sure the link works before you send the email here with preview. Make sure the link works. My link works. All right, guys. Make sure to also hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send the email around time people check emails, so it ends up on the top of the list, and it's a better chance of them checking it. So always click perfect timing, and the email has been sent, guys. And that's all it is to take. That's all it takes. And you see how fast it is to do. It doesn't take long at all to accomplish at all, guys. Really just that simple. And we're making tons of money. We're making enough money to pay other bills, a couple of bills, guys, a food bill or whatever it may be for a month. We're making enough money like that. I'm trying to get to the point where I'm making enough money on this system to just pay for everything that I need to be paid for. And boom, you have another income. That's really cool. So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. The link's in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.